Hey guys, welcome to Desk Jockey Physio, where we help active desk folks feel and move better. My name is Mitch Starkman. I'm an FCAMP registered physiotherapist and sports medicine clinic owner here in Toronto. Thanks for stopping by. Hey everyone, two quick updates before we jump into today's video. Number one, we have a free giveaway today. If you head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/guide, you can download your 5-step guide of how to set up the perfect laptop home office, which you can do right here, okay? And number two, we are now offering online physiotherapy sessions for you folks out there. To learn more about that, head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/online, and we'll see you there. All right, otherwise, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Time to talk about standing desks or makeshift standing desks you're gonna do at home. So this is my awesome setup. I've got a cardboard box standing desk, great company. They unfortunately no longer exist, but there are great options. My favorite standing desk, you can just take up out of a box, place it on top, and they range anywhere from around, $200, $150 to about $300 Canadian. And so I could put some links down below of some of my favorites on there that you can take a look at. But the rules that apply are the same for how to set these bad boys up. So first off, when you've got your standing desk set up, what you want to do is go ahead and take a pad. I love this, my Bat Cave mat that we've got here, but something that's going to add you a little bit of support. You can also use shoes, something comfortable to stand all day. Your feet aren't used to that, so it's nice to have a little bit of padding and softness for the joints. Okay, and then once you're standing up here, the big rule is you want your gaze to be straight ahead. So when I'm staring straight ahead, my head is neutral, my shoulders are set back, and I'm in a rested shoulder position. What that means is I should be staring directly into 2 inches down from the top of my monitor or laptop. For most people working from a laptop, you can go ahead and sneak your laptop up top on here, and then use your keyboard and mouse on the lower level and an external one. So when I line up here, I want my arms to be just gently rested at 90 degrees. I'm mousing, I'm keying over here, and I'm gazing straight ahead. The problem a lot of people make, or the mistake, is they hang out here, right? So I'm in this position, I'm arching my back, and this is nobody's good business, okay? So up tall, keeping engaged, and holding in this position, and I can work from here all day long. I can shift side to side. I just don't want to see this all day long. Right, you want to be back and forth. You can go forward and back with your legs, forward and back, making sure that you're constantly keeping equal weight side to side. Problems kind of happen when you're on one position. The second big mistake that I see is people who hang out like this. I call it happy girl posture. So what that means is your back is really extended. You are sort of in this arched belly out position, and that can create a whole bunch of lower back pain, which you're trying to get away from, which is probably why you're in a standing desk. Something to keep in mind. So again, the basics for your setup. Number one, you have a nice pad or shoes support your feet. You are relaxed in this position with your neck gently gazed ahead, so hitting 2 inches down. Your elbows are bent to 90 degrees, and you are gently typing and working in this position with relaxed shoulders. And then you are just generally moving side to side, back and forth to allow movement in your day, but not staying in one position more than the others. I hope that helps, okay? If you guys like this, please get down there and hit that like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, as well as head over to the website for some free good stuff that we've got on there. We also have a free laptop setup guide that we're giving away on there. You can download that for free at deskjockeyphysio.com/guide.